Hey there, art fans! Let's draw the cute BB-8 from Star Wars. For this video, I made a device using a compass and a bold marker. You can also use a plate, only you would have to find a smaller one. I didn't have it, so I used this compass device. I just wrapped the marker with tape around the compass to keep everything in place. Don't worry if you make mistakes, just have fun and be creative. I had fun drawing with you. You did an incredible job. Remember, keep drawing and exploring your artistic side. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. See you next time. Bye.